All right, everyone. We are live. Should probably fix this rather. Give me 1 second. I'll use a better mic. For, I know you all deserve a better mic. Okay, now I don't know how to put it. Okay. Uh, uh, guys, give me 1 second. I'm a bad streamer. I've been telling this to everyone for so long. I know I should really put this notification, but I'm still fixing my camera right now. It's not so easy as much as you guys think. The next step is to really get the cable going. That is another struggle with me. All right, should be fine. We can make it better. For some reason, the light is not enough. I know, but I know and I don't know how many people will actually turn up as well. Okay, one thing I need to do first of all, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me turn off the display. Let me close off some things that you guys are not supposed to see. All right. Next is Edge. Let me just make sure that I'm live. Yep, I'm live. Okay. God level. Thank you, Mohit, for joining. Let me really put this on Discord as well now, everyone. All right, okay. So the goal for this stream is very simple, right? I just want to fix the NeoVim configs today, spend some time looking at it. Is something wrong? No, right? Hope the actually I hope it's using the right. Mic. Okay, this should be fine. Let me, just for the sake of the stream, let me also turn off the video so that we can focus. Okay, all right. So what do we have? See, my goal for today's stream is to make sure that our config is now very simple for anyone to check. Right now, if you see that it's a whole mess and I wanted to fix this. So let's go through it. What are the things that we need and what are the things that we don't need? Okay. So the best way to start looking at it is init.lua. In general, what do I want? What are the features that I'm really looking for? Yo man, what's up? Hi Varu. What's up? Yeah, how you doing? Good morning. Kya हाल चाल? You don't need COC. Yeah, COC I don't need anymore. So I use it for my work because COC is really fast with its own customized COC pyrite and all. And that's why I just use Clash of Clans. There's a completion plugin in NeoVim. All right, so let's go through all the plugins today, right? What do I need? First of all, I need a tree sitter, LSP. What else do we need? Probably terminal plugin, right? I think a telescope, of course, you need tree, you need Lua line, you need yes. What else is required? I think okay, let's alpha. Okay, could be. Let's look at this now. Okay, so we have mm, mm, so we have alpha neovim. Avante I use for copilot stuff. I agree. Big file.neovim I don't need anymore, so I can probably delete this. All right, so let's go to plugins.lua for now and let's scroll through everything. Plenary, okay, that is not needed for some Lua things used in pop-up, not NeoVim. I'm not sure. I would try to. So even same with NeoDev as well, right? So this is coming from Christian's repository when he used to have. So I'm not sure how much is it really required. So I'm just gonna keep going on. LSP NVIM LSP config is needed. Yes. Auto attach equal to true. This is all good. I'm not sure if I really need dependencies and all. We'll see. Alpha beta gamma का चक्कर. Mason, yes, Mason LSP config. Okay. Not sure if I need Mason LSP config. Actually, do I even need Mason anymore? How am I installing? I don't know if I need it, right? Okay. I'm gonna still try. For now, I'm just see with this whole the thing that is very tricky is that you always should keep on checking if the NeoVim has broken yet, right? Because if it not has not, then it's good for you. Okay. Let me also go to plugins.lua now. Is it the plugins.lua I'm looking for? There you go. Right. So this is done. Then we have lsp signature.neovim. I am not really sure about this. Okay. So this is something we need to check. Okay. I'm going to still commit it off. Trouble. Yes, I do love that. GitHub Copilot NeoVim. Mm. So the thing is, I'm a huge fan of GitHub Copilot.vim instead of Copilot.lua stuff here because it keeps giving me different results. I'm going to keep that instead. None ls. Okay, Vim eliminate. I need to check this to be honest. Um, RT Vim eliminate. I I don't know if this is specific to what we need. Let me just search Vim eliminate. Give me 1 second. This new thing that haunts me every day. Okay, what is this? Automatically highlighting other uses of the word and the cursor using either LSP reset or regex matching. Should be really coming from Treesitter, right? I hope. Sounds like something I use quite a lot to be honest. So I'm gonna keep this because yeah, it's pretty useful. Then you have what? LSP inlay hints. No, I don't want that. LSP lines. Yep, very useful for me. Completion. So this completion I really want to get away from, and I'm gonna delete this altogether because for some reason they are just very complicated and to even I mean yeah it's just not helping a bunch of snippets to use. Yes, you can use that tree sitter ts update and when t sitter comment string. Okay, what is it for? What is it for? Okay, I think so. Basically, what this does is if you are over here in this cursor, it and you still comment it out, it will comment the whole line. And like Emacs, for example, when you do that, it actually comments starting from here. Auto tag. By the way, I do miss using Emacs sometimes. It has huge potential. I definitely miss using Emacs there. Use tree sitter to auto close and auto rename. Okay, no, not at all. I don't need this at all. I don't use NVIM surround. So there's a another version of this that is popular by many, not NeoVim. But I do use this quite a lot, so I think I'm gonna be fine with it. Yep, yep, yep. I think I'm gonna stick around. Um, NeoGit, I'm gonna keep it, but I don't think I use it a lot. Transparent, okay. Go to preview, yep, one of my favorite. NVIM spider, no. Telescope.neovim, okay, this is fine. Load extension library arcs, okay, this is fine. Let me just remove this comment. Decay, oh, so these are the color themes, right? So dark plus Tokyo Night Blue Loco, NVIM notify. It's an utility plugin. I think I will keep that. Dressing.neovim is probably fast easy cleanup like array. I do want to use Doomy Max because it's like if you look at if you guys remember me using Doomy Max, it was one of the most beautiful time in our life. It just that key NeoVim community is huge and strong, and of course only one guy is maintaining Doomy Max, so it's difficult to. But yeah, I think Doomy Max has huge potential for all of us. We should give it a try one day. So like the thing with Doom is like it acts as an IDE instead of an editor, right? So like you can keep opening things, you can keep doing things. You will never feel Like even this, for example, this projects thing I had to set up on NeoVim manually. In Emacs, it just comes very naturally. In Doom Emacs, sorry, it just loads up things for you. Color themes are there. Okay, I've just put them there. Registers.neovim. Need to integrate. I am very curious if they have really integrated yet. So Copilot is integrated there. I'm not sure if something they have like um actually let's try out like this thing as well today. Do me max. Okay, let's. I understand. Okay, LLM wala plugin. Okay, LLM.neovim. Oh, I did not know that this exists. But okay, let's monitor that as well today. File Explorer. What happened to File Explorer? Maybe a Indian blank line. No, I don't need. I guess nvim tree.lua. Okay. Yes, this is probably I need. Lir. Okay, comment this out. Comment.neovim. To do comments.neovim. Yeah, this is fine. Toggle term is I need. Yes, auto runner. My own plugins. Okay, for now. Spectre is an interesting thing, right? So the thing with Spectre is it's probably useful, but I have never used it in my lifetime. I'm gonna still keep it, but I'm gonna mark them as not so used. Okay. BQF. I don't know what this does. Git signs. Okay. Git blame. Okay. But why do you have a separate? Why? So the problem is that, right? Ki, why do these things don't come up originally? I think this automatically enables git blame, right? Yeah, I should probably turn it off because this has been causing problems for me for forever. Why do you not have a Lua? Okay, really? So I needed Mason at least for for this stuff at least. Okay, did I let go of it? No, right? So okay. Where were we? We were at this particular plugin, guys. I forgot the name. Oh, we have so many plugins, man. This is really not good. Yeah. Uh, and let's say ops equal to what was it? Enable equal to false, right? Yeah, I don't want it by default, so please don't keep it. Auto pairs, okay. Which key? Yes, I need Vim, Moonfly colors, and all these are again all themes. So I'm gonna keep it here. What else do we have? Clip. We have new clip.lua. Need to check if this is what is really this doing. NVIM UFO. Okay, no, I don't use it anymore. Git linker. It's probably one of the most important things for me, but nah. Git linker is very useful. I just let me just mention before I forgot. Use git linker. Num.neovim. Nope, not gonna use. New. No, I don't even know what that is. Oil. Mm, I am not sure. I am not sure if I'm going to use oil as much as people call it. Telescope command line, okay, I'm going to let it be. But again, I think there's a better version to it, guys. If you want to see, if you want to do Q this, and it will take you there. So Q and colon will take you there, and then you can kind of go to anything and you can edit as well. And then you can hit enter, and that will just do the command for you. It's pretty useful inbuilt Vim thing. That's the whole point, right? We don't generally go through. Okay, big file is not needed anymore. Outline.neovim. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. Nvim lsp config. Okay. Microsoft type stubs. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. Telescope file browser. Flow.neovim. No. NeoVim project. Yep, this is something I need. NeoVim project is helpful. FZF Lua. Mm-mm. What is FCF Lua? Is it a utility? So I Bhagwan did create a lot of improved FCF.vim. Oh yeah, they did have this all right. FCF Lua command history. Yeah, yeah, right. Okay. Okay, yes, I'm gonna keep this. It sounds like a useful thing. I just have not used it. That's the problem. LSP Saga. Time to get rid of this because it's not really used anymore, and I don't like things that are not. I mean, not used, but also developed, maintained. Okay, this is okay. Just remind me that I have trouble set up like this, and I think I had one more trouble. Avante is there. Avante is very useful. Yes. Blink.cmp is a new thing, guys. That has come up. If you really want to use, guys, I think you should give it a try. We discussed this before. Um, so if you see, this is coming from Blink. I just haven't found really good. Okay, done. Nice. So let's get rid of. Now the thing is that we need to set up Blink, because that is important. Also, let's first set up. Okay, can I open? Okay, what is the problem? User lsp init.lua attempt to index a. What was the problem? 32 line number, right? Oh, it looks for handlers.lua. Oh, spider not found. Why are you looking for spider? Hi, Ayush. Yeah, I mean, yes. The thing is, like, generally, it's always good to create your own. But if you really are looking for my configs, you can go to my GitHub. I'm gonna just paste this link. This is where you can find my configs. But the tricky thing is that please go to lazy-fix branch, because this is the one that I'm mostly maintaining right now. I haven't been explicit about it, that's why I'm fixing it today, but you'll find it mostly there. So looks like it is really looking for handlers. It's looking for spider.lua, and I'm really concerned why does it need spider. Awesome. Thank you so much for joining again. I am letting go of this. Did it not install spider? Okay, it did. Okay, it's still happening. 32 line number lsp, let's say fcf lua find files, and let's say handlers.lua. Anything wrong over here, or is it that I kind of got. Yes, Ayush, yes, I did change it to something more generic. I thought I would, you know do something new and all, but every time I go live I lose subscribers, so it's been very weird journey for me, if you ask me. Why is it still failing? Lua user lsp init.lua in function require. So lsp mason.lua 76. Okay, let's go there first. What is it importing? Handlers is importing, right? So let's go to handlers. What are you importing? CMP NVIM LSP. Could be that. Never thought that we will be using this. What are we using this for? I was following you from a Rust video of Iced. Oh yes. Fast forward today, I'm learning Rust. That is good, yeah. Uh, Iced is an amazing library. It has cool stuff. Just the problem is that I could not, because they were in beta phase at that time and they were changing the APIs quite frequently. So it was hard. I mean, they had mentioned it on their GitHub README, so I would not blame them. I'm just saying it was very difficult to catch up. So yeah, but good to know you're learning Rust. I think uh, Rust has huge potential if it is used well. So yes, good luck. Okay, there are language servers for Lua as well. So why is it not able to catch it up? Or is it because I let go of CMP things? Does hurt? Okay, fine. I cannot even undo. So I will probably have to lazy git all of them. What have we deleted though? Okay, okay. I know what's happening. So we have deleted them, but we are still trying to import them through this, I think. That's the problem. I am guessing. Okay. But let's see. We have got rid of. We have plenary. We have gotten rid of pop up, NeoDev, fidget. Are these things used somewhere? That's the point, right? Like it's very hard to maintain your own config when you don't have time. But let me just, anyways, push this up. Let me also change this. Okay. Hmm. First step in for cleaning up. I'm probably gonna push it to a new branch. Check out lazy fix. Okay, let me just start it with cleanup. Lazy fix. Yeah. Oh, sorry. LunaVim is still active, is it? I thought now they are like mostly not in a maintenance phase. Or is there a fork for LunaVim? I know there's new thing called, I mean, not a new, but probably I'm late to it. Lazy Vim is there. The ChatGPT search takes time for me to open it up, but it's still fast. Okay. Um, this one is there, right? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, these things, Varenium's config used to use Packer for so long. This guy, okay, so this is the problem that my main branch has a different history for cleaning up. Okay, I need to check this out now. But let's also spend some time looking at. Okay, first of all, what's this error about? Okay, yeah, oh, it's failing in it.lua seventh line. Seventh line. Ah, LSP. Okay, okay. Okay, let me actually get rid of this, please. Registers not found. Okay, do you use you? Okay, you also use. So what you're saying is that you also use, what do you call it, Packer, huh? So this one is needed for my another project. I think, is it anything to install? Anything to update? Nothing. Module oil not found. Okay, so this all is coming because even though we have removed it from our plugins.lua, it is still there in init.lua. So if you go to init.lua now this is going to be interesting. Okay, so key maps, auto commands, color scheme, all is fine. Telescope, preset, comment, git signs. So let me actually open plugins.lua here. Git signs we kept, NVIM tree we kept, Lua line alpha, which key, num we have gotten rid of. Colorizer, Spectre, yes. Pluto comments, yes. Get blame, yes. Notify, okay. Registers, yeah. That's where it was coming from. I'm curious what does registers have. Functions, illuminate is there. Saibo is there. User.winbar is gone. LIR is gone. Options is there. Web dev icons is there. BQF we have gotten rid of. Dressing, I think we have also gotten rid of. Yeah, there you go, right? So dressing is also gone now. Auto session I don't need at all. Surround, okay. I think we did keep surround, right? Yeah. Vim slash, okay. Buffer line and Vim transparent copilot. Yeah. So this all we have kept. Oh, there's more. Terminal, why do I have terminal? Is this for, oh, this is lazy git. I don't need it. No. Git linker, yes, we are not using it. Chalo. Thank you so much for anyway. Take care. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Um, what else do we have? We have nvim surround. Yeah, that's there. Alpha is there. New clip. I've kept it. Okay. I've contributed to many Rust projects here. First of all, Z is still burning up. I mean, its potential right now. See, there are so many things I want to be to customize and all. Right. For example, I'll show you one thing. So in short, right now, if I start my project in Z immediately, I want all the LSP features to work by default. That does not work because of my Rust project. It was not able to like catch up. So I think it's still getting there. So it's early, but yes, it has huge potential. Though I still think that VS Code is going to win the race, because the whole point of VS Code being funded by Microsoft, and I mean being a Microsoft project itself, does give it a huge potential to collaborate with OpenAI as a default thing, and then keep on bringing features and all. So right now what it feels is like everyone is catching up to VS Code. So VS Code and OpenAI will bring features, and every editor will start saying that okay, this is we do as well. Like for example, Cursor.ai is probably a bit different because they have gone a different route, but I still feel that it will be very hard to compete with something like as huge as VS Code. And I think VS Code is a great editor as well, if you ask me. Like I have never felt like okay that yeah VS Code is not good and all. Have you tried? I mean, have you tried Z? Okay, so NVim auto pairs needs auto pairs. Now, what is the okay NeoVim project? Yeah, I can get rid of that. Oh no, I need this. So what's the problem? Fail to run config for NeoVim project. I've tried it, but I liked it, but there was some problems with shortcuts while using Vim mode. Yeah, I mean, see, if you're a Vim user, I would really suggest stick with Vim. I think at least like Vim is able to catch up quickly. See, if I ask Avante, it should have worked. I don't know why it did not work. Attempt to index field windows. Okay, I think I've gotten rid of a few important configurations that I should not have deleted. Okay, I'm gonna keep these three again in case they were used. I will probably have to put Hush 7th CMP as well back. So it's looking for fold. No fold found. Okay, so it's just because I deleted. Okay, this is getting tricky now. I need to probably push so that I keep a record. Uh, More. So over here, what have I deleted? So I've gotten rid of all the CMP plugins. Here, there you go. I think let's try bringing them again and see what happens. Should work. Yeah, ideally it works. Let's just do lazy and do X first. Let's do clean up and then do I. So okay, I think it did not, it hadn't. Okay, there are no failures as such anymore. And what is this 2 for? So I think I'm just confused. I need a second opinion. I'm a fresher. Should I like master C++ plus plus or Rust? Um, if you're looking for a job in India, honestly, I will probably, in general as well, I think C++ plus plus is a better language to have a command on. I'll be honestly, see, the way it works is you learn a lot while writing C++ plus plus about computer science. Okay, because you do many mistakes. For example, garbage collection. So C++ plus plus doesn't have an inbuilt garbage collection, right? So if you are allocating something using malloc, right, you will have to free, right? Now how all of this works is very important to understand that okay, what is malloc and all. If I like, I also released a blog on it if you want to see like how linked lists are used for garbage collection. So I think these are very interesting. I have a video on this as well. So I would definitely say that do C++. I'm not sure about mastering it because it's very difficult to do, but definitely start with C++. Rust is still growing in terms of market. I think Rust is a great language to just do for your own health purposes, like for mental health, physical health, and all, because it keeps you calm, composed, and lets you do your job. But again, the point is if you're doing computer science, if you are one of those people who want to do a bit of low level programming, understand how does it work, I think any typed language is very important as well. So Rust is there, yes, it's typed, but it's not forcefully typed. I think like C++, you really nowadays you have auto, but whenever you declare a variable, we generally say that hey, I want it as int, I want it int 64, int 32, int 8. I mean that minor details actually go a long way in your career, because now you know that okay, what does int 64 mean, right? Like if you are using Python, you will never do, you will do x equal to 2, you will do x square square, and one day your code will break and saying that out of memory, right? So in when you do it in C++, you will realize okay, it can be in 64, so the max it can go with in 64, so you will do that, right? So I mean, that's my opinion. I would suggest you to focus on C++ for job purposes and also for your own learning. Once you see that okay, there is a market in Rust growing and you can now hop off, so then it's good. बात तो सही है. Yes, in terms of opportunity in India, C++, yes, yeah. Not even just India. I think outside India, people are still using C++. Although, like, I know there's a report from FBI and US government agencies that people should stop using these libraries, given that they are not memory safe. But as I said, like, if you consider Indian market is still very much looking for Java, C++, C Sharp, or XYZ libraries, right? So. uh, it's okay as long as see the people have built Instagram on Django, so it's not bad. मैं थर्ड ईयर में हूँ, प्लेसमेंट कैसे लें? हाय स्वनंद, व्हाट्सअप या गुड मॉर्निंग. ये मोहित मस्ती नहीं, विश्रम 3 साल के एक्सपीरियंस वाले लोग थर्ड ईयर में बोलते हैं अपने आप को. आई डिड डिलीट समथिंग, आई थिंक आई डिड समथिंग रॉन्ग with NeoVim project. It's kind of very weird to see because I did not want to. It's looking for NVIM tree plenary. Oh, it's looking for session manager as well, FCA Flua. So I do have inventory, right? Yeah, there you go. I have it. Web dev icons. No, okay, that's different. Plenary, NeoVim session manager. I think it comes from there, right? Great, nice, Ayush. Good luck, yeah. Good luck for your search. प्लेसमेंट मिलेगी HTML सीख लो. हाँ, आई मीन क्यों नहीं मिलेगी यार? लाइक देखो, अगेन वही पॉइंट है ना कि ऐसा नहीं है कि फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर्स आर नॉट अर्निंग, ऐसा नहीं है कि people are not doing anything, but for me what matters the most is, as a computer science engineer, are you an engineer when you're working, right? Are you really engineering the problems to solutions, right? So it's really on key. How do you think about a problem, right? Like half of the time I just considered okay, where can I innovate in my life in computer science, everything. So that thought process needs to be there, and I think that is lacking in a lot of developers in India because they are not engineers, they are developers. And there's a huge difference, and I'm really sad about it when I say this, but it's unfortunate, right? But it's okay. I mean, people want job to earn. It's okay, but if you don't have that passion and all, I think it just shows up. I mean, again, देखो, yeah, HTML and all, they are interesting, and you can also innovate a lot in those languages. It's just like people don't. And it's a problem I have with them, but it's I something I understand because they don't have to do it. They are doing their job well. I think it should be fine. Yeah. Is it because of dressing that we are failing? Thanks for guidance. Anytime, yeah, anytime. All good. Okay. It's for some reason it's not really failing. I don't know, but NeoVim project was just not working. Anyways, I think we are at a point jahan pe we can say that things are working for us. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do lazy git again. See this tool, for example, right? If you see the whole art, it was about okay fixing things here and there. Oh, Swanant, मोहित को गाली देते हुए गेम बंद कर. All right. One thing now we need to do is, guys, I think we have mostly cleaned up already. Only project thing is not working, so I'll take a look at that. Um, Good stuff overall. I think I will like to just quickly delete it later on, but oh yes, जायसवाल की सेंचुरी हो गई है, कब की देखा. Yeah, yeah, let me just share the channel link as well with you. We do talk a lot. देखा मैंने यार स्वनन, बहुत सही मैच था. It is amazing. This guy doesn't take good enough sleep and says also who cares. अच्छा अभी उठे हो? मैं नहा लिया था यार. आई थिंक आई woke up around 8:30 with backache. फिर से पीठ दुखने लगी है and I'm getting old. Okay, now is a good time to try Doom Emacs again. I want to do this. I don't know. It just feels so. It Doom Emacs felt like home very soon. It's one of the things that has probably given me a lot of peace. But let's see. वापस होऊंगा. ये हुई ना बात. Sunday, bro. Enjoy. Why haven't installed Emacs? स्ट्रीम के बाद नहीं यार, नहीं अभी नहीं. अभी आई थिंक मे बी दिन में या शाम को. अभी डीमार्ट जाना है घर के लिए सामान लेना है. सो थोड़ा जीजी हो रखा है. अ, सो जाओ भाई अभी. यस guys, if you are new, if you are here, please like and subscribe. That will mean a lot to me. Anyways, ये कर लेते हैं ख़त्म. It's installing Emacs for me. What are the features that Doom Emacs has gotten recently? So they don't have a release note thing over here, but I think Space Max has. Uh, okay. I used to use Linux here. I switched back to using Windows because of my company purposes and for streaming purposes and all. But yeah, I used to use Linux a lot. Like one of the reasons I started using Iced was also because I wanted to contribute to Pop OS. Uh, Fix default woman ignore STD error. The woman man path. Oh, what is this about? मोहित भाग गया शायद. मोहित मोहित भागता रहता है यार, भगोड़ा है. बिजी लोग हैं भाई, छोड़ो. देखा. मोहित को ऐसा एक बार बोलो ना तो ही विल कम. वैसे नहीं आता ये. ओके व्हाट इज लेफ्ट. ये कितना लंबा, एक तो इनका इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस बहुत लंबा है यार. दैट्स आल्सो अ प्रॉब्लम. सो दिस हैव यू गाइस नोटिस एलएसपी ब्रिज. ओके तुम लोग का भी नहीं पता होगा. इंटरेस्टिंग. नॉडी बेटा मस्ती नहीं. आ जाओ, मैं आपको सब कुछ चाबी दूंगा. नहीं भाई नहीं. ये चाबी तुम ही रखो. मोहित कल से एफ के बैठा है गेम चालू करके. नहीं भाई खेल रहा होगा, झूठ बोल रहा है और कुछ नहीं. यू नेवर नो उसके क्या चल रहा हो क्या नहीं. ऑल राइट आई थिंक होने वाला है. वन थिंग आई एम क्यूरियस इज ईमैक्स एलएलएम प्लगइन. लेट्स सी कुछ है क्या प्लगइन इनके ईमैक्स कम्युनिटी में. कॉल चलते उसके सिर्फ. यस. Oh, they have Emacs Copilot here. कल अपन खेले तब से चालू है इसका गेम। क्या बोले भाई? छोड़ भाई। नेताजी कोई मतलब नहीं है यार बोल के। मिस्टर एम इज नो मोर मिस्टर एम। चलो गाइस अब मेरे को नींद आने लगी है। आई एम गोना गो। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर बीइंग हियर। आरआईपी। All right, chalo. I will see you next time, guys. Thank you so much for joining me with this new Vim cleanup. I will take off now. Take care. Thank you so much, everyone. Whoever joined, whoever was there. Bye bye. Bye, Ayush. Thank you. Mohit, Swanand, Varanium. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, इतने जल्दी 40 मिनट इज इनफ. मुझे नींद आ रही है. Bye. Take care, everyone. Bye 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 bye.